In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check when a calendar invite was sent Outlook. If you've ever needed to confirm exactly when a meeting invitation went out, Outlook makes this possible because invitations are just emails under the hood. The quickest path is from Sent Items, and it works the same in Classic Outlook on the desktop and in Outlook on the web. Start by opening Classic Outlook. Head to your Sent Items folder. Use the search bar to type a keyword, like the meeting subject or the recipient's name, to narrow it down. When you see the invite, open that message. In the message window, look to the top right of the header, you'll see the sent date and time. That timestamp is the authoritative record of when the invitation left your mailbox, which is often what audit trails or follow-ups rely on. You can also get to this information from the calendar itself. Go to Calendar and double-click the event to open it. Switch to the Message tab. Outlook displays the original meeting invite there, and at the top you'll again see the sent date. This is handy when you're already reviewing meeting details and don't want to jump back to mail. If you open the event and don't see a Message tab, adjust the calendar view so the relevant fields are visible. On the toolbar, choose View, and change the view to List, sometimes shown as Change View, then List. Next, select View Settings, choose Columns or Add Columns, and add the field name created. Click Add, then OK. Your calendar list will now include a created column showing the date and time the item was created, which typically aligns with when the initial invite was sent. You can click that column header to sort, making it easy to scan older or newer invitations. For deeper detail, you can surface the created field directly from the form. Enable the Developer tab by going to File, Options, and Customize Ribbon, and turning on Developer. Return to Calendar, double-click the event, then open Developer, choose Design this form, go to All Fields, select Frequently Used Fields, and look for Created. That value gives you the underlying created timestamp for the meeting item. With these approaches you'll always know when a calendar invite was sent. Thanks for watching.